Hi everyone, Fanita here. Hope you're all ready for a great weekend. Okay, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing some of the items that I got from my auction wins. And before I start, I want to let everybody know that today at 7 Central, I'm going to be on JustSandi. Her channel name is JustSandi. We're going to be doing an auction together. So for those of you that are interested, you can go ahead and please tune in. And for those of you who don't want to purchase anything, it'll be fun. Just tune in to watch. I will put the link in. It's going to be at 7 Central. Okay, so I want to show everybody what I got. So I was in, Cindy Loves Jewelry, her auction, and I'm going to show you my wins from her auction. She had really nice things. Okay, I got, let me see how many pairs this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 pairs of Swarovski crystal earrings, and then they have enamel, like a beige kind of enamel on them, and they have really pretty crystals in them. And these are the old Swarovski brand, so they're pretty vintage. And they do have the SAL in the back, which means that they're kind of an older item. But look how beautiful they are, preserved, how they're in great condition. And I just love all of them. And I got a really great bargain on this one. I got all of these for $10 because she just started out the auction. She put these up when the auction was just beginning. And I think I got a really great deal. They're gorgeous, Cindy. I love them very much. Especially this shape. It's so cute. And this one is my favorite. The one with the little blue stones, so cute. And the stones in it are square shape, so they're really pretty. And as you can see, Cindy is very organized. Look how nicely she put these on a little card that she hole punched, and she put them on here so they don't get tangled with other things. So this is really cute. I love how she put them on the card. And these are all of them here. Let me see if you can see them. And I'll put her link up for all of you that are interested in buying things from auctions. She doesn't only do auctions. She does also show jewelry that she's purchased from different places. She has a really good channel. I enjoy watching her, and I'm going to put the link up in there for you, for those of you that are not subscribed, to go ahead and do so. She's very lovely, and I love everything that she shows us. Okay, so this was my one purchase. And I don't remember the prices of everything that I got because, we do buy a lot of things. I got these two. You guys know how I love hearts. These are earrings. Very cute. Ceramic. Very pretty, very large earrings that I think these are going to be great for Valentine's Day. So cute. And I got these. And I also got this porcelain, really cute heart-shaped jewelry box. In a kind of like a cobalt blue. So pretty, and it's not scratched anything. It's in beautiful condition. I really love this one, and I even love the back. It's so cute. I'm gonna put my little Swarovski earrings in here, and that's gonna be that. So this is really cute. Okay, and she also sent me a little bag of goodies and with a little thank you note. I love this. So cute little bag. And she sent me a few things in here. And she sent me this really cute bracelet here with the leather flowers on it. And this is from Paparazzi. And I really like this one too. It's a cute necklace, and it has kind of like brown. It's kind of like glass, it looks like, in here. And it has brown tone and kind of like little hints of gold. I don't know if you can see it, the little gold. It's very pretty. I like this too. And I really like these earrings. Look how pretty they are. These are very pretty. Thank you, Cindy. Thank you for the gifts. It was a great auction. I really loved it, and I hope you'll have another one soon. I'm going to put Cindy's channel link up there for those of you who are not subscribed to go ahead and do so. Okay, my next auction win is from JustSandi, and I got this lot from her, and she has, and this lot had 4 bracelets in it. All of them lovely. I loved all of them. This one is a really cute one with little kind of like they have rhinestones in them that are in the gray tone, and it has the hematite on here. It's very, very pretty. I like this one. And this is a really wide one here, very pretty in silver tone. I really love this one too. And this little charm bracelet here with the cute little charms. I'm thinking that this is a Brighton. I have this one here. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like it's like a little family over here. It's really cute. I love all the little charms that it has on it. And then this one was also included in the lot. And this one does come with a tag. It says Bud to Rose by Didi. Very pretty. So I got these from JustSandi. I'll put up her link also. And she's the one that I'm going to be doing the auction with. She sent me a little box of goodies, and she sent me two sets of hoop earrings. This really cute little heart pendant here in silver. These are all silver. And then she sent me this very unique looking pendant here, which I really love. I love how it looks in the back too. It has kind of like a little yin-yang symbol over here. Very pretty. And this is 925. Thank you so much, Sandy. I really love this. Very pretty. Thank you. So these are from JustSandi, and I'll put her link up also. And I'm going in, you know, as I see them over here. And I got, the next one is going to be the auction wins that I got from Going On Grumpy, which her name is Barb. And I got this very, very cute multi-strand. What I loved about this is these two little beads over here. Very pretty, especially this one that looks hand-painted. It has multiple strands, and it has, it's kind of, well, how I would describe this is it's a charm necklace. Very pretty. And it is by Chico's. And I really like this one. When she showed it, I had to have it because I like charms and I like colorful things, and especially these beautiful beads that were on here also. So this is one of my wins, and I also bid on these. Look at how cute these are. They're very cute little bows, and they have little green dangly kind of stones on them, and these were together as a lot. These are from Avon. Very pretty, in great condition. I really love these. So I'm going to give these out as presents. But I don't know if I should keep one for myself. I think I should. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to keep one for me, and I'm going to give one as a gift. It's very, because I really like how it has the green dangly stone on here. Very pretty. Very nice. So this is another auction win here. And I got this one from her also. Look how pretty this is. I really, really love this one. It has little bees on here. It has enamel flowers, and I really love the bees. They're so cute. I don't know if you can see them because my camera doesn't focus that well. So here they are. Okay. So it has 2 bees. It has rhinestones and little what looks like pearls on here. It's very pretty. When you put it on, it really is a statement piece. I really like this one. And it is marked. Let's see what it says. Let's see. I'm thinking of wearing this one today for the auction because it's really cute. It's by Liddell, New York. Very pretty. So this is another one. And she sent me these as gifts. These are really cute too. Sent me a little dolphin, a little crocodile. So cute. These are little brooches, tiny brooches. And this one is a little dog in a circus outfit. I don't know what he's doing, but he's really cute. And this one here with the pearls, very pretty. And this pin over here, brooch pin. And I really like this one and the finish on this one. And when I turned it to the back, it was marked that this one is by Monet. It's very pretty. And oh, and these cute little earrings with rhinestones. So these are from Barb, Going On Grumpy. These were my auction wins. Now I want to show you something that I got. I got this really cute, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on this camera, but I got this really cute tunic from Going On Grumpy as well. It's Kate Spade. This is from her Poshmark store. Let me show you. I want to be able to show it, so you guys can see. It's white, and it has kind of like a wedding dress on it. It's very pretty. It's a tunic t-shirt looking type of thing, and it's called wedding dress. And originally it was $98. I don't remember how much I got it for. I think 40 it was. It's very pretty. I really love this, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun wearing this. So thank you. This is very pretty. And she sent me, this was really thoughtful of her. She sent me this little book here. It says 365 Ways to Fight Daily Stress. And it has kind of like coloring pages in it, which I'm going to start doing. Very cute and very thoughtful of her, because she knows, you know, about my anxiety, and she knows, you know, all those things. And I think this will help a lot. And it does have really like little quotes here that help out also. So that was very thoughtful of her. And of course, she knows I love hearts. So she sent me this heart necklace. So pretty. And I really love this too. So yeah, it's on a little omega looking chain, and it's a little heart pendant here, which I'll probably be wearing. Wait a minute. Now I'm trying to decide which one to wear, this one or the bees. Well, I'll surprise you guys. So go ahead and tune in tonight for the auction. These are all my wins. I'm expecting one from Tammy. When I get hers, I'm gonna do hers as soon as I get hers also. So go ahead and tune in tonight at 7 Central. It's going to be on Sandy's channel, which is called Just Sandy. So I hope to see you all there. Hope you had fun seeing my wins from the auctions and some of my purchases. Thank you so much for watching. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.